here. Thank you so much for watching. Today's video is another video on the snowman, but today's video we have some drone footage. So you're going to be able to see the snowman from above, which I know is going to be super helpful. Give this channel a thumbs up and be sure to subscribe so you get notified when I post a new video every Wednesday. Be sure to give the snowman a try because it's seriously one of my favorite exercises, one of the best exercises, and I want you to try it out. In the snowman, you're gonna do a small circle in trot and a big circle in canter. So here I'm doing a small trot circle, and you can see from above how it looks like a snowman because there's a big bottom circle and a small top circle, which looks like a snowman. So again, trot and turning to the right. There. Boy, so a small circle in trot, move him off the left leg, big circle in canter. I really want to have nice round circles and make sure that I'm perpendicular to the center line. So like right here, I've got to be perpendicular to the center line so I can get a nice clean change of bend. Good boy. So that's the snowman exercise. Hopefully you can see what the pattern looks like from above. Boy, Mercurial. Snowman is like one of my favorite exercises. It works on trot canter transitions. It works on suppleness. It really works on riders and horses of all levels. So it's like one of my all-time favorite exercises. Let me know in the comments if it's one of your all-time favorite exercises, because I think like in my audience and in my Facebook group, this is definitely one of the most popular exercises. It was really cool to film this exercise with the drone and to actually see like the changes of bend in the horse's body and to see how the figure looks from above. So I'm going to start here. A 10-meter circle to the right in the trot. And then when I get back to the center line, push him off my left leg, canter to the left. So this exercise is really good if you're having trouble with your canter transition. It like fixes so many things, and it really works on suppleness and getting your horse focused and relaxed. So you see how I went trot and then immediately into a small circle in the trot and big circle in canter. And the beauty of this exercise is even if it's kind of messy, just keep repeating it until your horse starts figuring out what's coming next. And over time, your horse will get better and better. Good boy. So you see how he's kind of already figuring out the pattern, and he knows that when we go back to the left, that he's going to pick up the left lead canter. So trot and bending. And I'm really thinking about getting him to bend to the right and wrap around my right leg and move him off my left leg and canter left. Good boy. And giving on the inside rein. Good. So let me change direction now. Now I'm going to be doing a big circle in canter to the right and a small circle in trot to the left. So you always want to do everything in your training in both directions. So I'm doing a small trot circle left, move him off my inside leg, and canter. Good boy. This is an exercise that I learned in a clinic with Conrad Schumacher, and my horse was very tense and distracted, and the snowman really helped get him focused and supple. And you notice that downward canter trot transition wasn't the greatest. It was a little lurchy, So I'm just going to focus on my pattern, focus on the exercise, and that was better. Bending, bending. Oops, he didn't really bend very well there. Bending right and canter right. Good boy. This exercise is great to help get them a little more balanced in the canter and a little more thinking, good boy, about the transitions. Good boy. And you can see from above how it looks like a snowman because there's a big bottom circle and a small top circle, which looks like a snowman. And then if your horse starts anticipating, like he's kind of anticipating the trot, I'm just gonna make him keep cantering this time around. Good boy. So you don't want your horse to anticipate too much. You always wanna make sure that they are staying correctly on the aids. Good boy. Okay, thank you so much for watching this video on the snowman. I really hope that you found it helpful. Again, I'll link below a few other videos on the snowman where I go a little bit more into the details of exactly how to ride it. But I hope that this was helpful for you to see it from above and give it a try, because I know it's going to help you and your horse with your trot, with your canter, with your suppleness, with your focus, with your bend. Like, it's just the magical dressage exercise. Also, be sure to check out my free rider assessment to learn your strengths and weaknesses as a rider. That's it for today. Thanks, guys.